test 17 part 3. See question number 76. When sodium metal dissolve in liquid ammonia, as we know that sodium metal dissolve in liquid ammonia, x plus 5 moles of ammonia, it gives ammoniated cation Na NH3x plus 1 and plus electron NH3y minus. This is called ammoniated cation, and this is called ammoniated electron. And we know that deep blue color of the solution is due to ammoniated electron. So question number 76, option D is correct. See question number 77. In question number 77, what is given there? The question is, bleaching powder is obtained by passing chlorine on. As we know that preparation of bleaching powder. When calcium hydroxide is passed through Cl2, it forms bleaching powder, that is calcium oxychloride, bleaching powder plus HOCl. So question number 77, option C is correct. See question number 78. In question number 78, what is given there? In question number 78, the question is, when copper is heated with concentrated HNO3. When copper is heated with concentrated HNO3, it forms copper nitrate. Plus H2O and plus NO2. So question number 78, option C is correct. Copper nitrate with the liberation of NO2 gas. So question number 78, option C is correct. See question number 79. In question number 79, what is given there? In question number 79, which of the following is not oxidized by MnO2? As we know that F2 is the strongest oxidizing agent. So fluorine cannot be oxidized. So fluorine is the strongest oxidizing agent. So it cannot be oxidized by MnO2. So question number 79, option A is correct. See question number 80. In question number 80, what is given there? Which of the following will show polymorphism? Question number 80. See in question number 80, which will show polymorphism? As we know that polymorphism is basically ability of a solid material. This is the ability of a solid material to exist. In more than one form. So it is the ability of a solid material to exist in more than one form. And we know that all oxygen, sulfur and selenium all can show polymorphism. So question number 80, option D is correct, all. See question number 81. What is given there? Question number 81, number of phosphorus oxygen bonds in cyclic metaphosphoric acid. See, phosphorus has tendency to form 5 bonds. So phosphorus and one pair of OH on each phosphorus atom, so P double bond O, OH. Again there also P double bond O and OH. Now connect the phosphorus with oxygen atoms. Now we can see that there is one POP linkage, this one, another second POP linkage, and third POP linkage. So number of POP bonds in cyclic metaphosphoric acid is 3. So question number 81, option C is correct. See question number 82. In question number 82, what is given there? The question is, question number 82. The question is calcium cyanamide on treatment with steam. As we know that calcium cyanamide, when reacts with steam, it liberates ammonia gas. With calcium carbonate. So question number 82, ammonia gas is liberated with calcium carbonate. So question number 82, option A is correct. See question number 83. In question number 83, what is given there? The question is, chlorine is manufactured from. As we know that chlorine is manufactured from electrolysis of brine solution. As we know that brine solution is aqueous NaCl solution. Aqueous NaCl solution is known as brine solution. So the reaction is NaCl with water. Aqueous phase of NaCl on electrolysis gives caustic soda, NaOH, and plus Cl2 and H2 gas. So question number 83, chlorine gas is manufactured on the treatment of electrolysis of aqueous brine solution. So question number 83, option B is correct. See question number 84. In question number 84, what is given there? The question is, question number 84. See question number 84. The question is, nitric acid converts iodine into. As we know that when I2 reacts with HNO3, HNO3 acts as an oxidizing agent. It oxidizes HNO3 into iodic acid. It converts I2 into HiO3. It is known as iodic acid, and with the liberation of NO2 gas with water. So it converts I2 into HiO3, that is iodic acid, because nitric acid is oxidizing agent. So question number 84, option A is correct. See question number 85. In question number 85, what is given there? Question number 85, the oxo acid of sulfur that does not contain bond between sulfur and sulfur atom. As we know that H2H2O7 is also known as oleum. H2H2O7. So this contains sulfur and oxygen multiple bond. One is OH pair, and there is oxygen linkage between sulfur. So this is the structure of H2H2O7. As there is sulfur oxygen sulfur linkage, so this oxo acid does not contain sulfur bond. It contains sulfur oxygen bond. No sulfur bond is present. So question number 85, option C is correct. See question number 86. In question number 86, what is given there? Nitrogen form how many oxides? As we know that nitrogen forms 5 oxides, and that is one is NO, nitric oxide, and one is N2O, and one is N2O3, and one is N2O4, and one is N2O5. So nitrogen form 5 oxides: NO, N2O, N2O3, N2O4, and N2O5. So question number 86, option C is correct. See question number 87. Question number 87, what is given there? Question number 87. The question is halogen acids used in the preparation of aqua regia. Aqua regia. As we know that aqua regia contains 3 part of HCl and 1 part of HNO3. So aqua regia basically a mixture of 3 part of HCl and 1 part of HNO3. So halogen acid used here in aqua regia is HCl. So question number 87, option C is correct. See question number 88. In question number 88, what is given there? In question number 88, the boiling point of following hydrides. As we know that boiling point of hydrides of group 15 elements are PH3, then ASS3, then ammonia, then SbS3, then BiS3. As we can see that ammonia has higher boiling point due to intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Ammonia has higher boiling point as compared to these. So boiling point, here we can see that highest boiling point of SbS3, then NH3. So boiling point basically depends on van der Waals force, and van der Waals force depends on molecular mass, or we can say size. So according to size, Sb has larger size. Due to larger size of Sb, it has highest boiling point. Ammonia comes after Sb because in ammonia there is intramolecular hydrogen bonding. So boiling point order is this one. Again, it follow the molecular mass or size, then phosphorus. So question number 88, option C is correct. See question number 88, option C is correct. See question number 89. In question number 89, what is given there? The question is question number 89. See question is, which of the following acid of phosphorus is reducing agent and monobasic? As we know the structure of H3PO2, P double bond O, OH, as there are 2 pH bond. Due to these pH bond, H3PO2, due to pH bond, H3PO2 is reducing in nature, as there is only one OH and there is one OH group. There is only one OH group, therefore it is monobasic. So 2 pH bond makes it reducing, while 1 OH bond means it is monobasic. So question number 89, option A is correct. It is monobasic and reducing agent due to pH bonds. See question number 90. In question number 90, what is given there? The question is question number 90. Which one of the following combines with Fe2 plus ion to form a brown ring complex? As we know that when Fe2 plus reacts with nitrate ion in acidic medium, Fe2 plus with nitrate ion in acidic medium, it forms NO, and so nitrogen here oxidation number changes from +5 to +2, decrease in oxidation number, itself reduce, so it will oxidize iron. Fe2 plus 2 Fe3 plus. Now the complex of FeH2O6 2 plus reacts with NO and forms brown ring complex FeH2O5 NO 2 positive and plus H2O. So due to this complex, this is known as brown ring complex. This is known as brown ring complex. So brown color is due to this complex. So question number 90, Fe2 plus combines with NO. Fe2 plus combines with NO and forms brown ring complex. So question number 90, option B is correct.